Boy.
All right, everybody, welcome to another market analysis presented by AmeriTrend Financial. My name's Daniel Ryan, fund manager for AmeriTrend Financial, and today we're going to be speaking about popular cryptocurrency Bitcoin, crypto ticker BTC. If you own Bitcoin, you may want to listen closely. Lots of talk in the market about a Bitcoin crash, and I got to tell you, the charts look bearish. I don't think the bleeding's done. Now, for those that aren't familiar with charts, do not panic. We're going to make sure we explain this very simple for everybody to understand. Now, what we're looking at here is a 12-hour chart. Those wondering what that means, each of these candles here represent 12 hours. A lot of different charts that you can look at when you enter and exit the market. A lot of charts we do look at, but for this video purpose, we're going to be looking at the 12-hour chart. Now, first thing we notice here is the downward trend. Extremely bearish here with Bitcoin, just like most of the cryptocurrencies, and Bitcoin did lead it. We saw at the end of 2017 a massive bull run up to the upside, setting all-time new highs. We had to expect a correction coming at some point. Ever since then, we have seen major market corrections here. Now, I think this downtrend does continue. Today, we broke a couple key support levels, one of them being that 10,100. We are currently trading below that support level. Now, we did get as low as about $8,500 today in Bitcoin, and I'll tell you the next key support level is this $8,000 mark. If we were to go ahead and break below that, which I hate to tell you, I do think we will, then this becomes our danger zone, but also becomes the buy zone. So 8,000 is the key support. That's where you need it to really bounce off, and worst case scenario, looks like that's really where we're going to be able to fall. But I got to tell you, if it falls below 8,000, then it's going to be a little bit more of a painful fall there. So our price target here, looking at the charts and looking at this downward trend, we're expecting anywhere between 6,000 to 8,000. To say that you'd be trading roughly about $6,000 to $7,500 here in the short term with Bitcoin, not unrealistic. Now, once this happens, once we get in that $6,000 to $7,000 range, this then does become a strong buy opportunity, because after we do see this major correction, we do think that we will see a recovery rally back to the upside around the all-time high again, probably most likely around that 20,000 range. Keep in mind, not too long ago, towards the end of 2017, Bitcoin was trading roughly around these same levels. After the major bull run that it took, any market's going to have some type of pullback and consolidation. So once now that we've broken down below these key support levels, you got to look for this danger zone. To see 6,000, 7,000 Bitcoin, not unrealistic, but I do think that once we hit those levels, just psychologically, you will see a rebound. From there, we have to start trading again above 10,500. Key resistance level here. Once we're able to break through that 10,500, you can expect the next level to be the $12,000 range. Now, once we break over 12,000, we're going to call that the breakout resistance level. Once we break over that 12,000 resistance level, that's where we're looking at 14,000. Now, once we could get back into that trading range of 14,000, we're going to call that our recovery rally. From there, to see $20,000 Bitcoin again would not be unrealistic. However, I think before we get anywhere close to that, we'll see somewhere between 6,000 to 7,000. The chart showing extremely bearish times. So if you do own Bitcoin, you may want to step out of the market or shift to another crypto. I don't think the bleeding's done. If you're in it for the long haul, you may want to cost average down, because I think you're going to see much lower Bitcoin. Thank you for tuning in to another market analysis presented by AmeriTrend Financial. My name's Daniel Ryan, fund manager with AmeriTrend Financial, and we will see you on the next market analysis. Make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel at AmeriTrend Financial, and as always, this is not financial advice, just our breakdown of the charts.